Next up in the data collection process is Commute. We've broken Commute into three main categories: walking or cycling, driving by car, including taxis and rideshare, and public transport. If employees work entirely remote, please select NA. We then break the commute type into one of four distance categories, starting with short all the way to extra long. Each category defines the kilometers within. And the last spot captures the percent of staff that travel in this manner. Please do ensure that the total percentages sum to 100% before submitting the form. If you are completely unsure of how your employees commute, we can help you to accurately gather this data with our employee campaign. This helps your staff to understand their personal carbon footprint. Moving on now to travel. Business travel includes all transport related to business operations, including air travel, public transport, taxis and rideshare, business mileage using private vehicles, and corporate accommodation. Let's start with air travel. Air travel is broken down by the class of flights taken, so economy or business, first class. If you don't know, simply select unknown and we'll use a blended average. While kilometers traveled is our preferred data, if you don't have access to this figure, you can instead provide the number of flights per month broken into four different distance categories. Each category shows the associated time. In other travel, please enter any travel outside of air travel. Again, we always prefer kilometers per travel type. However, if you are unable to access this information, please provide spend as an alternative option. And lastly, we'll record any business accommodation. This data can be provided by inputting the number of nights booked. We then ask you to specify the percent of nights that were spent in an average hotel versus premium or eco. Each type of hotel has a different associated emissions factor. And then the last section is only for companies that own a company car or operate fuel-consuming machinery. In this section, we will specifically ask for the total fuel in liters consumed per month.